In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage invoice overpayments in Wave. First, head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Sales and Payments option from the left-hand side menu, then select Invoices. Here, you will see a list of your invoices. For example, if an overpayment has occurred, you may notice that the invoice amount is $150, but the amount due is shown as a negative $100. The brackets indicate a negative value, which represents the overpayment. To understand why this happens, click on the invoice. You will see that the client paid $250 for an invoice of $150. Overpayments can occur due to typing mistakes or intentional extra payments by the client. To manage this, click on the Manage Overpayment option at the bottom of the invoice. Enter the overpayment amount in the Amount field, then select a method. If you want to refund the overpayment, choose how you want to send the money back to the client and select the account from which the refund will be deducted. You can also add a note for your reference. Click Submit, and the invoice amount due will update to $0. By refreshing your transactions page, you can confirm that the $250 payment was received and $100 was refunded to the client. If instead you want to add the overpayment as a credit for the client, click Manage Overpayment again. From the Method dropdown, select Transfer to Credit, then click Submit. This action applies the $100 as a credit for future invoices. You can adjust this credit to offset upcoming invoices. To see this process in action, watch our video on how to apply customer credit to invoices in Wave. This is how you can effectively manage invoice overpayments in Wave.